how to set up external transfers with PNC. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you want to send money to an account at another bank, well, here is how to set up external transfers with PNC. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the PNC Mobile App on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, you can just tap on transfers and then select external accounts. And there you just have to tap add external account and then enter the other bank routing numbers, account numbers and select the account type. And once you're done with that, PNC will send two small deposits to that account. So check the other bank statements and return to the app to verify the amounts. And once verified, you can just go back to transfers and choose your external account and enter the amount and schedule your transfers. And that's it. With that, you are now ready to transfer money to and from your PNC account. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.